Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to use Canva Bulk Create for free. Let's get started. First, open Canva on your phone or computer and log into your account. Now create a new design. For example, you can choose Instagram post, thumbnail, or any size you want. Once your design is ready, it's time to use the Bulk Create feature. Go to the Apps section in Canva and search for Bulk Create. Click on it and you'll see two options. You can either enter data manually or upload a CSV file. For beginners, I recommend starting with manual entry. Click on Enter Data Manually and add your text, for example, names, titles, or any content you want to change in bulk. After adding your data, click on Continue. Now, go back to your design and select the text element you want to connect with your data. Right-click on it and choose Connect Data, then select the column you created. Repeat this step for all elements you want to customize. Once everything is connected, click on Generate or Continue. Canva will automatically create multiple designs based on your data, all in just one click. And the best part, you can do this using Canva's free version as well. That's it. Now you can create dozens of designs in seconds using Canva Bulk Create. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tutorials. Thanks for watching.